Still on the update from Awka, the capital city of Anambra State. So on Friday, I also paid a visit to the ongoing construction of new government house in Awka environment. So to go and see the level of work that is also going on over there after visiting the Alex Ekweme Square. So you can watch the video, it's still on my channel. The update concerning the Alex Ekweme Square. So when we arrived this particular venue, we noticed that construction of a drainage system has commenced from that Aroma junction down to the new government house. So as you can see on my video, I tried to capture everything at once, but I noticed that that Alex Ekweme Square route, the one that leads to this new government house, is a kind of very wide. A lot of people have said that there is a 6-lane route, but it's actually 2 lane. But maybe the size is that of a 6-lane road or something. So because the road is pretty very wide, it's a very wide road, like that. My phone camera could not be able to even capture the whole angle, so I have to take it one after the other. Like I'll take the other side, then come this side and also take. So from that Aroma junction, the one side of it has already a kind of nearly completion, while the other side is yet to reach the Aroma junction. So from the very first time I started the video, you will notice that one side of it is nearly completed, while the other side has not been completed. So moving down, the both of them are are currently under construction, while some sections are yet to be completed also. So I video this side, I come this side and also video. So this is me just I'm currently approaching the Alex Ekweme Square. The rehabilitation of Alex Ekweme Square is also going on, which I asked you guys to go and have a look on the latest updates from that particular side. So as you can see over here, construction is also going on, but drainage system has not been put in place. It's just the gutter has been dredged, but not yet constructed. So after this side, we headed down to the government house. So this is the beside the Alex Ekweme Square. So this side, I don't think this side has gutter before. Some of those areas where gutters are being constructed, I think they have before. Maybe it's too tiny, and some don't have. But here, over here, it doesn't have at all. But coverts were made, were provided, but no gutter were constructed before. So they are now putting gutters to enable passage of water and the rest. So let's dive into the new things we noticed when we visited the new government house that is currently going on. Honestly speaking, a lot of work is currently going on in this particular area, and I can tell you that in the coming months, I'm thinking like this building is gonna be accessible, or maybe work will resume there, like office work we definitely resume in this particular site in the next few months, because they are firing the work back to back, and the Anambra color, which is the yellow, has already been put in place at the main gate and at the second gate by the back. So if you watch closely, where you can notice it, I'll still be showing you in this video as we head down. So from there, you will also see the the iconic tower, which everybody has been mentioning in their video. And again, roundabout, there's roundabout being erected in front of that main gate. I will also be showing you the roundabout was constructed, and now it has been plastered, and the stone base has also commenced in some sections. The stone base is currently started from that main gate side. The stone base started from the main gate side down to where the road is currently ends, So in one of my last updates, I earlier mentioned that the dualization do not cover everywhere. So I was thinking that the dualization will still be extending down to where the road ends, but I think I'm wrong on that one, because during this our last visit, I noticed that the dualization actually stops before the second main gate. That is where the dualization stops, which I will also be showing you in this video. So the dualization do not extend to the end of the road, so it stops before the second main gate. That's where the dualization stops. So but the stone base has continued even beyond the second main gate down to where it ends. But on the day on that particular Friday we visited, the stone base actually stops after that, I think after the second main gate. But stones, and other things, other equipment are coming in, showing that they are currently working, and you know they are not giving up. So by the time we may be watching this video, the stone base might have exceeded down. So you can see the front gate of the government house that has already received the yellow color of Anambra State. So, and here is the roundabout. So after this roundabout, the stone base commenced. So another thing I noticed while touring this road is that by the back, or after the second main gate, or before even the second main gate, the old drainage system that we are here, we are not touched, because it's still strong, it's still very strong and still intact. They were not touched, but something is wrong with it. The thing that I noticed that is wrong with that drainage system is that a lot of bushes are there, and the gutter has a lot of sand inside it. Is not cleared. I would say the gutter is congested if I'm wrong or right with English. So after all, I'm not a Igbo person. So talking about the gutter, I think clearing, they need to clear that gutter to allow a free flow of flood during raining season, because if such is not done, honestly, I'm seeing that road being flooded when the second raining season starts. So guys, we are currently at the Awka government house. As you can see, this is where the stone base currently ends. So, and as you can see that the work is undergoing, so most stones are still coming in. If you look at this side, nothing is currently going on from here, so but the work is still going on. Just like I earlier mentioned, all this side is not dualized, and one thing I notice about this particular place is that it's not as wide as that of the main gate. So the main gate is very very wide, and that's of less equipment also is very very wide, but here is kind of tiny. And from what I see, or what I saw, if this place is dualized, honestly, not all motorists can be able to pass through here. And this is the second main gate. You can see that it has already received its own painting too. So this side you are seeing now is not dualized. Where the dualization ends is before this main second gate. So guys, if you have watched this video to this particular stage, kindly do subscribe to the channel, click on the thumb up button, click on the notification bell, and don't forget to share to get to wider audience. Thank you for watching. Do have a wonderful day till we meet again. Like I used to mention, update Yakba.